Chicago Park District.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Sonica Ruiz. Thank you so much for joining us today in making Cascarones. It's a Mexican tradition and we were happy to share it. We hope you have a great holiday. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Elisa and today we are making cascarones. This is my sister and her name is Lorena. Hi.
And I'm Sonica. I'm with the Chicago Park District and I'm going to show you the supplies that we're going to be using. So we're starting off with a dozen eggs that we've already tapped holes in the top and we remove the eggs. We have dye that we've purchased from the store, and we've got confetti that we made with tissue paper. We also are going to use circles. Elisa, can you get those circles over there so we can show them?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to use these circles to put on top of the cascarones when we're done. So we're about to show you how to make cascarones. Okay, this is how we remove the egg from the shell. We're just going to tap. I tapped a little hole using a butter knife, and I remove the egg. I'm actually going to save the egg for later. We'll use it for breakfast. And then I'm going to rinse this out with soapy water.
Next step is we're dyeing the eggs and after we're going to let them dry. Filling up the cascarones with confetti.
Funfetti?
Funfetti. Doing a light circle around the egg of glue.
The whole of the egg?
The whole of the egg. All you need is just a light piece of tissue paper and you just do it like so. And then you just start to stick it on. As soon as the glue is done drying, we will have fun outside with our eggs. Hey Lorena, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
And those are cascarones.